What's going on, everybody? John here with FlotoCare, our Massachusetts-based car detailing, ceramic coating, and paint correction business. In this video, we are taking care of one of our maintenance clients, BMW X3, cleaning the wheels, washing the paint, and cleaning the interior to make sure to keep this car clean. Because this car has been ceramic coated inside and out, so we're making sure to get the full lifetime of this coating with a basic exterior wash and interior cleaning. Our businesses are based in Massachusetts, but we also serve some areas in New Hampshire and Rhode Island, offer you interior, exterior detailing, as well as ceramic coating and paint correction. So let me tell you, why is it important to detail your car? So for most people, after a house, our cars are actually the biggest investments that we make. So it just makes sense to keep the car clean and preserved, even more in New England rough weather, with snow, salt roads, rain, pollen, etc. So yes, detailing is not only about cleaning the car, but also protecting it, so you can keep the value of your investment. And there's nothing better to drive a clean car. So to book with us, we have an easy website, flotocare.com, that you can book online, check all the prices and packages, as well as availability to choose what works best for you. Or, of course, you can call us at 774-498-0522, so we can help you decide what's best for your car. Enjoy the rest of this transformation, and we're looking forward to seeing you.